Good morning and welcome to our discussion for today's video. But before anything else, I have one question for you. So have you ever wondered why today's corn have less worms compared before? Or how do cotton trees have more flowers nowadays compared to the usual? Like what happened? How do these things happen? What causes this change? Or how do these things change? So basically, it all starts with evolution, specifically with biotechnology. Good morning once again. My name is MJ's MEGABON, and for today, we will unlock the power or the advent of biotechnology. So first things first, let's have our lesson objectives. So at the end of the discussion, the students shall be able to first define biotechnology. Number two, recognize the essence of biotechnology in aiding human survival and growth. And lastly, show attentiveness to the applications of biotechnology in various fields. So what really is biotechnology? So biotechnology is technology based on biology, wherein bio means life and logy means the study. So technology, on the other hand, means the application of scientific knowledge to the practical aims of human life. So basically, biotechnology is the study of life with the advent of technology in order to create new and innovative products. So, in simple terms, it is a field that uses living organisms or part of organisms with the use of technology to develop or create different products. So, looking back to our example that was posed earlier, so how corn is perpetuated with biotechnology. So it all starts with its DNA, wherein DNA is a substance that carries genetic material, or it is called as the building blocks of every life form. So as you can see in the picture, as the DNA of the corn has been altered, or by modifying its building blocks through biotechnology, we can make a corn healthier and at the same time resistant from bugs and pests. And by manipulating these building blocks in another way, we can copy traits of an imported rice that has high threshold in water, then combine it with the local rice so that it can survive in the country. So that is how powerful, or that is how the process of biotechnology is. So is biotechnology new to us? So in 6,000 years, we have already used the biological processes of microorganisms. Take note of microorganisms, and it is to make useful food products such as bread, cheese, and to preserve dairy products. However, in the modern times, biotechnology provides breakthrough products and technologies to combat debilitating and rare disease, reduce our environment footprint, feed the hungry, use less and cleaner energy, and have a safer, cleaner, and more efficient industrial manufacturing processes. So, from its simple products to its breakthrough products, and from its simple usage to its complex usage. So, that is how biotechnology evolved, not just in its technology, or not just in itself as well, but rather to its impact, to its usage, to its product as well. So as biotechnology evolved through time, so how does it aids human survival or growth? Or in what essence does biotechnology really aid human survival and growth? So it is being said that it heals the world, it fuels the world, and fed the world. So first things first, let's have it heal the world. So in the aspect of medicine, Biotech is helping to heal the world by harnessing nature's own toolbox, using our genetic makeup to heal and guide lines of research. So it so in simple terms, it uses living organisms, specifically our genetic makeup, in order to heal and guide lines of research. So as the aspect of medicine was being altered, was being modified, was being changed, or was being improved by the use of biotechnology, it reduced rates of infectious diseases. It saves a millions of children's lives. It changed the odds of serious life-threatening conditions affecting millions around the world. It tailors treatments to individuals to minimize health risk and side effects. It creates more precise tools for disease detection. And lastly, it combats serious illnesses and everyday threats confronting the developing world. So we can really see here how biotechnology healed the world in the aspect of medicine, and as it and how is it aids human survival and growth. So let's have now the aspect of how does it fuels the world. So biotech uses biological processes, biological or in simple terms living organisms such as fermentation and harnesses biocatalysts such as enzymes, yeast, and other microbes to become microscopic manufacturing plants. So, as the aspect as the aspect of biological processes was being altered, was being modified, was being changed, or was being improved. Thus, it streamlines the steps in chemical manufacturing processes by 80% or more. It lowers the temperature for cleaning clothes and potentially saving $4.1 billion annually. It improves manufacturing processes efficiency to save 50% or more on operating costs. It reduces the use of and reliance on petrochemicals. It used biofuels to cut greenhouse gas emissions by 52% or more. It decreased water usage and waste generation, and it taps into the full potential of traditional biomass waste products. So we can really see how biotechnology really aids human survival and growth. Not just it aids, but it also saves nature as well, as it's instead of using um, this fuel. So biotechnology helps um, by by um, altering this kind of chemicals so that in order for these chemicals not to be totally or extremely used or being abused. So in the aspect of environment, biotechnology is used to reduce our environmental footprint, use less cleaner energy, and have safer, cleaner, and more efficient industrial manufacturing process. So biotechnology does not just saves human, no, but it also saves nature. So it is like hitting two birds in one stone. So lastly let's have biotechnology by feeding the world. So in the aspect of agriculture and food industry, biotech improves crop insect resistance rather, enhances crop herbicide tolerance, and facilitates the use of more environmentally sustainable farming products. So as the aspect as the aspect of agriculture was being modified, altered, changed, and improves. Thus, it generates higher crop yields with fewer inputs. It lowers the volumes of agricultural chemicals required by crops, limiting the runoff of these products into the environment. It uses biotech crops that need fewer applications of pesticides, and thus it allows farmers to reduce tilling farmland. It developed crops with enhanced nutrition profiles that solve vitamin and nutrient deficiencies. It produces foods free of allergens and toxins such as mycotoxin. And lastly, it improves food and crop oil content to help improve cardiovascular health. So we can really see here how biotechnology really aid human survival and growth, especially in the aspect of food industry. So did you know that there are 250 biotechnology healthcare products and vaccines available to patients, mainly for previously untreatable diseases. It has more than 13.3 million farmers around the world use agricultural biotechnology to increase yields, prevent damage from insects and pests, and reduce farming impacts on the environment. And it has more than 50 biorefineries are being built across North America to test and refine technologies to produce biofuels and chemicals from renewable biomass, which can help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. So, what are some examples of biotechnology products? So, biotechnology has a wide range of applications and produces various products that we use in our daily life. So, some examples of biotechnology products are in the field of medicine. We have cell therapies, rather, antibiotics and vaccines. In the field of agriculture, we have genetically modified plants and animals. And in the manufacturing industry, we have biodiesel, biodegradable plastics, and fabrics. So, in summary, biotechnology is the use of biology to develop new products, methods, and organisms intended to improve human health and society. So, biotechnology has been used since the beginning of civilization with the domestication of plants, animals, and the discovery of fermentation. Biotechnology has many applications in various fields such as healthcare, food industry, agriculture, manufacturing industry, and etc. Biotechnology produces various products that we use in our daily life, such as biodiesel, biodegradable plastic, fabrics, antibiotics, vaccines, and many more. Biotechnology could help address many global problems, such as climate change, an aging society, food security, energy security, and infectious diseases, to name just a few. So basically, this not just help human, but also nature. Just what I said earlier. So, in the realm of biotechnology, we unlock nature's secrets to shape a future where science and life intertwine, transforming the impossible into the extraordinary. But we also have to know that we humans should also be responsible in this thing, because once this technology, specifically biotechnology, will be used not in moderation or not being used unresponsibly. So this can cause harm, not just in ourselves, but also to Mother Nature. So once again, my name is MJ's MEGABON, and this is the advent of biotechnology all about. Thank you.